Unraveling the mystery of rolling snake eyes. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase, rolling snake eyes. This expression has a rich background and is used in various contexts. So, if you've ever stumbled upon this phrase and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. Let's unravel its mystery together. The phrase, rolling snake eyes, originates from the world of gambling, specifically from the game of craps, which is a popular dice game. In craps, when a player rolls two dice and both come up showing a single dot on each, it's called snake eyes. The dots resemble the eyes of a snake, hence the name. But why is this roll significant? It's one of the most challenging outcomes to achieve due to the odds, but often results in a loss for the player in the game of craps, making it a symbol of bad luck. When used metaphorically, rolling snake eyes extends beyond the gaming table to signify a stroke of bad luck or a disappointing outcome in various aspects of life. If someone says they rolled snake eyes on an investment, it means the investment did not turn out well. This expression vividly captures the unpredictability of taking risks and the possibility of facing unfavorable results. To help you understand how to use rolling snake eyes in everyday conversations, let's look at a few examples. 1. I really rolled snake eyes on that job interview. I didn't get the position. 2. He thought he could outsmart the market, but he ended up rolling snake eyes with those stocks. 3. We rolled snake eyes with the weather during our vacation. It rained every day. These examples show how the phrase can be applied to various situations, emphasizing the element of chance and disappointment. For English language learners, mastering the use of such idiomatic expressions can add a layer of richness to your conversations. Here are a few tips. Context is key. Understand the scenario before using the phrase. It's most appropriate in informal situations or when discussing matters involving luck or risk. Use it sparingly. Because it's a specific cultural reference, use it with people who might be familiar with the context. Practice with variations. Try creating your own sentences or stories where someone experiences bad luck, using rolling snake eyes to describe the situation. We hope this video has shed some light on the interesting phrase, rolling snake eyes. Idioms like these are what make learning English so rewarding and fun. They give us insights into the culture, history, and humor of the language. Remember, every time you learn an idiom, you're not just learning to communicate, you're embracing a piece of cultural storytelling. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating expressions with you. Keep practicing, and don't let the fear of rolling snake eyes in language learning hold you back.